How to change Facebook profile to digital creator. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Official Help Text. Now let's get started. Open your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already signed into your Facebook account. You're gonna land to the home page. At the top left corner you can find your profile picture. Tap on it. With that you will land to the profile page. Now scroll down. Now over here you can find this three dots. Tap on it. Now over here you can find different options. Go to the option of turn on professional mode. Tap on it. Tap on turn on. Tap on continue. After you enable professional mode for your Facebook account, you can go back. Just refresh your profile in this way. After you refresh your Facebook profile, just scroll down. You will be able to see this option of profile digital creator. Your Facebook account has been converted into the digital creator. So this is how you can change Facebook profile to digital creator. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.